Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I had a craving, and you know, when you get those cravings, you just gotta satisfy them. And of course, I figured let me make a quick video. So this craving, I've been craving chicken livers. So I'm gonna make me a quick batch of chicken livers. I just make them. I don't follow a recipe. I just do whatever comes to mind. You know, roll them in some seasoned flour, throw them in a ton of butter, do up some onions. That's it. Real easy. Okay, so we're gonna have to wash our chicken livers. And we're gonna have to clean them. You'll see that they have this stuff on. You want to pull that off. You can use a knife if you want. All right, so while our livers are draining, we're gonna cut some thin slices of onion. Got a small onion here. Get some flour. A couple cups. Like I said, I'm just doing this on the fly. I do it different every time. I want some smoky flavor, so I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder, some pepper, and some salt. I'm going to mix this all together. Okay. All right, so we're going to start by turning on the heat. Get some butter here. We're going to saute the onions first. So let's get this butter melted, and then I'll add the onions. I'm going to add the onions. Add some salt. Okay, well these are cooking down. While the onions are cooking down over here, off camera, I'm going to start adding my livers to my flour mixture. Got a spoon. I'm going to add the rest of the butter. Okay, now add my livers. Turn the heat back up. I'm going to make a gravy. So in a pinch, when you don't have any chicken stock, I always keep chicken bouillon cubes in the cupboard. Can always dissolve some of that in some water and use that in place. That's only if you're in a real pinch. All right, I'm going to put a couple of dashes of Worcestershire in there. Okay, and there you have it. Now I'll probably just eat this like this, but you can probably get some rice, serve it with some rice or cornbread or something. There you go. Quick on the fly chicken livers. No special recipe, just some onions, some herbs, spices, flour, and lots of butter. That's it. Well, thanks for stopping by for this quick video, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye.